Hello everyone, welcome back to Maths Marathon classes. This time I'll be doing 2025 JEE Main Indefinite Integration covering both January and April shift. Quite less number of questions are asked from indefinite integration. This has been the trend always from the last few years. They ask more number of questions from definite integration but less number of questions from indefinite integration. Altogether they have only 8 questions from this topic including both January shift and April shift. Okay, so we'll just see the number of questions appeared from different topic of this indefinite integration. Integration by the method of substitution, there are 3 questions. Integration by parts, 1 question. Integrals of some irrational functions, there is 1 question asked. Integral of this type, e power x into f of x plus f dash of x, 1 question. Integral of 1 by x plus a power m into x plus b power n, where m plus n is 2, with the application of quotient rule. This a and b are integers. Okay, one such question is there. And integral of this type, ax square plus bx plus c by root of px square plus qx plus r, quadratic by root of quadratic, there is 1 question. Altogether we have 8 questions of this type. Okay, so we'll discuss the questions now one by one. Beginning the first question here. Let I of x is equal to integral of dx by x minus 11 to the power 11 by 13 into x plus 15 to the power 15 by 13. See the powers, if you add the powers here, 11 by 13 plus 15 by 13 is 26 by 13, which is 2. Okay, 11 by 13 and 15 by 13, if you add, it becomes 26 by 13, which is 2. So that means I'm going to apply quotient rule for this. That's application of quotient rule, not applying quotient rule for the integral. It's application of quotient rule, I can call. Okay, so the method of solving this integral, finding the integral of this is done by, in the denominator we multiply and divide by x minus 11 to the power 15 by 13, or in the denominator multiply and divide by x plus 15 to the power 11 by 13. Okay, any method. So what I'll do is, I'll consider the integral I of x is given here, correct? So in the denominator I'll multiply and divide by x plus 15 to the power 11 by 13. Okay, so I of x is given like this. I of x is equal to integral of dx by the denominator I'm multiplying and dividing by, first you write this, x minus 11 to the power 11 by 13 divided by x plus 15 to the power 11 by 13 divided by x plus 15 to the power 11 by 13 and multiplied by the same thing, x plus 15 to the power 11 by 13. Already x plus 15 to the power 15 by 13 is there, correct? X plus 15 to the power 15 by 13 is there, correct? So here what we did is multiply and divide in the denominator by x plus 15 to the power 15 by 13. Here the x plus 15 to the power 11 by 13, multiply and divide by x plus 15 to the power 11 by 13, multiply and divide. Okay, here the powers are same, no? So I can combine these two, and here the bases are same. Here the bases are same, so we can add the powers. 11 by 13 plus 15 by 13 is 26 by 13, which is 2. So this becomes integral of dx by, this I can write it as x minus 11 divided by x plus 15 whole to the power 11 by 13. This is x plus 15 to the power of 11 by 13 plus 15 by 13 is 26 by 13, which is 2. Okay. Now to integrate this, I'll use the method of substitution. I'll put t as x minus 11 by x plus 15. That's what I told. It's the application of quotient rule, not integrating by using quotient rule. It's a method of substitution where it involves the quotient rule. Put t equal to x minus 11 by x plus 15. Differentiate this. Take this as t. Put t is equal to, put t is equal to put t is equal to x minus 11 by x plus 15. And derivative of this directly I can write without writing using the quotient rule. Directly I can write. This takes the form ax plus b by cx plus d. If you take y as ax plus b by cx plus d, derivative is going to be equal to, see, if I give like this, y is equal to ax plus b divided by cx plus d. If it is in this form, then dy by dx is equal to ad minus bc by denominator square. You can remember this time saving result. AD minus BC divided by denominator square, CX plus D the whole square. If y is AX plus B by CX plus D, derivative is AD minus BC by CX plus D the whole square. And by applying this time saving result to differentiate this, AX plus B by CX plus D, compare AD minus BC, 1 into 15 minus 1 into minus 11, 15 minus minus 11, correct? 1 into 15 minus 1 into minus 11 divided by x plus 15 the whole square. This is dt by 26. dt by 26 is equal to dx by x plus 15 the whole square. Correct? So dx by x plus 15 the whole square, you can see here. dx by x plus 15 the whole square. dt by 26 it becomes this part. dx by x plus 15 the whole square is dt by 26. That means 1 by 26 to keep outside. 1 by 26 integral of dt divided by t power 11 by 13. This is 1 by 26 integral of, this you take it up, t power minus 11 by 13. t power minus 11 by 13. Integral of x power n formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Apply that formula. And substitute back for t finally. 1 by 26 into t power minus 11 by 13 plus 1. Plus 1 if you do, that is 2 by 13 I get. T power 2 by 13 by 2 by 13, correct? T power minus 11 by 13 plus 1 by minus 11 by 13 plus 1. That is t power 2 by 13 divided by 2 by 13 plus a constant c. 13 ones are 13. 2s are cancels. So this becomes 1 by 4, 1 by 4, correct? 13 ones are 13 2s are 2 into 2 is 4. T you substitute back, x minus 11 by x plus 15 to the power 2 by 13. X minus 11 divided by x plus 15 to the power 2 by 13 plus a constant c. This is I of x. We need to find I of 37 minus I of 24 and compare with this form. Finally, we need to find 3 times b plus c. So find out I of 37 minus I of 24 from this. I of 37 minus I of 24. I of 37 minus I of 24. That means you have to put x is equal to 37 here. 1 by 4 to keep outside. Then you put 37 in place of x. 37 minus 11 is 26. 37 plus 15 is 52 to the power of 2 by 13 plus c, correct? Minus I of 24 means put x equal 24. 24 minus 11 is 13. 24 plus 15 is 39, correct? To the power 2 by 13 plus c. Anyway, plus c minus c is going to cancel. 26 by 52 is half. 13 by 39 is 1 by 3, correct? So I am getting 1 by 4 into, I can write here the final answer. I of 37 minus I of 24 is 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 into, this is 1 by 2 power 2 by 13, 1 by 2 to the power 2 by 13 minus plus c minus will cancel. 13 by 39 is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 power 2 by 13. 1 by 3 to the power 2 by 13. Like this I am going to get. So you can compare. See, 1 by 4 into 1 by v power 1 by 13 I kept. So 1 to the power 2 by 13 is 1 only. This becomes 2 power 2 by 13. That is 2 power 2 by 13 you can write as 2 power 2 by 13 is same as 2 square to the power 1 by 13. 2 square is 4. 4 power 1 by 13 we can write. And this is 3 power, numerator is 1 power 2 by 13 is 1. Denominator is 3 power 2 by 13. 3 power 2 by 13 could be written as 3 square to the power 1 by 13. 3 square is 9. 9 power 1 by 13. So what we get is 1 by 4 into, I'll write here the last part. 1 by 4 into, this will be 1 by 4 power 1 by 13. 4 power 1 by 13 minus 1 by 3 power 2 by 13 is 9 power 1 by 13. 9 power 1 by 13. Compare. Correct. 1 by b power 1 by 13 minus 1 by c power 1 by 13. B and c are natural numbers. If we compare, b is 4 and c is 9. Comparing with this, I get b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 9. So required is 3 times b plus c. B is 4 and c is 9. 4 plus 9, 13. 13 into 3 is 39. Option B is the answer. Question asked on 23rd of January, first shift, JEE Main 2025. Please make a note. It's an application of quotient rule in the method of substitution. This type of question is commonly asked many times in the PYQs. If you see in the 2024 also, you can find one question of this type. Okay, even in JEE Advanced also one question was asked, I think so. Okay, move on to the next one. Question number 2, we have integral of quadratic by root of quadratic. Whenever they give to integrate quadratic by quadratic or quadratic by root of quadratic, there is a method of integrating this. That is, take the numerator quadratic as a into quadratic in the denominator plus b into derivative of quadratic in the denominator plus c. We have to find a, b, c first, and that can find the values of a, b, c is by equating the coefficients of x square, coefficients of x and constant term. Okay, so numerator quadratic you write 2x square plus 5x plus 9. Take the numerator quadratic as a into quadratic in the denominator without root. What is that inside the root? X square plus x plus 1. A into x square plus x plus 1 plus b into derivative of x square plus x plus 1 plus a constant. This is a method of integrating a quadratic by root of quadratic. Take the quadratic in the numerator as a into quadratic in the denominator plus b into derivative of quadratic in the denominator plus c. So this is equal to a into x square plus x plus 1 plus b into derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of x1, derivative of 1 0 plus c. Equating the coefficients of x square, we'll get the value of a. Equating coefficients of x square, we get. Equating coefficients of x square. Equating coefficients of x square. Equating coefficients of x square, we get coefficient of x square in the left hand side is 2, here it is a, so value of a is 2. Equating coefficients of x square. Equating coefficient of x. Equating coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is 5 here. 5 is equal to, here I get coefficient of x is a plus 2b, correct? A into x, a, here 2bx, coefficient of x is 2b, a plus 2b, a already we got 2, so b is 3 by 2, correct? 5 minus 2, 3, 3 by 2. Next, equating constants. Equating constants on both sides. Equating the constant. Left hand side, constant is 9. A into 1 a plus b into 1 b plus c, correct? Constants are a plus b plus c. A into 1 a, b into 1 b plus c. A and b already we know. A is 2, b is 3 by 2 plus c. 2 plus 3 by 2. 2 is 4 by 2. 4 by 2 plus 3 by 2. 7 by 2. 9 is 18 by 2. 18 by 2 minus 7 by 2. 11 by 2. You get C as 11 by 2. So we got the values of A, B, C. Substitute in this equation star will call. Call this as star. Therefore, equation star, you put the values of A, B, C and substitute for the given integral. Given integral, we call it as I here. I is equal to integral of 2x square plus 5x plus 9. I'll replace it by this. Put the values of A, B, C and write. A is how much? 2. In place of numerator, I'm writing this part. 2x square plus 5x plus 9 is the numerator. Instead of writing this, I'll write this part. Simultaneously put the values of A, B, C. A is 2. So 2 times x square plus 1. 2 times x square plus x plus 1. Plus 3 by 2 times 2x plus 1. 3 by 2 into 2x plus 1. Plus C value we got 11 by 2. Divided by root of x square plus x plus 1. This is equal to 2 times, separate the terms, numerator is sum of 3 terms, x square plus x plus 1 by root of x square plus x plus 1. This by this. X square plus x plus 1 is root x square plus x plus 1 and root x square plus x plus 1. So one root will cancel. What remains is root of x square plus x plus 1. Root of x square plus x plus 1 dx. Plus 3 by 2 into integral of 2x plus 1 divided by root of x square plus x plus 1. Plus 11 by 2 into integral of 1 by root of x square plus x plus 1. This we can integrate by method of completing the square. Even the third one, first and third, we can integrate by method of completing the square. X square plus x plus 1 is a quadratic. It's a irreducible quadratic, of course. We can complete the square. Coefficient of x square is already 1. Take half into coefficient of x. If we consider x square plus x plus 1, x square plus x plus 1, how to complete the square? This is equal to x plus half the whole square, correct? X plus half the whole square. Coefficient of x is 1. 1 into half is half. Subtract 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4, correct? Plus 3 by 4 it becomes. This is the completing the square for this. So we can integrate this using the formula integral of root of x square plus a square, which is x by 2 into root of x square plus a square by 2 log of mod x plus root of x square plus a square. And for this integral of 1 by root of x square plus a square, log of mod x plus root of x square plus a square. Substitute this after completing the square. This second term, second integral can be done by method of substitution, because if you differentiate x square plus x plus 1, we get 2x plus 1. You have set the equation like that. So it becomes dt by root t. Integral of dt by root t is 2 root t, correct? So this is equal to 2 times integral of root of x plus half the whole square plus 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is root 3 by 2 square. Root 3 by 2 the whole square. Plus 3 by 2 into, this becomes integral of dt by root t, where t is x square plus x plus 1. Derivative of x square plus x plus 1 is 2x plus 1. dt by root t. Integral of dt by root t is 2 root t. Plus 11 by 2 into integral of 1 by root of x plus half the whole square plus root 3 by 2 the whole square. X plus half the whole square plus root 3 by 2 the whole square. Like this. This is 2 times integral of this x by 2 into root of x square plus a square. We know that formula, correct? X by 2 instead of x we got x plus half. X plus half divided by 2 into root of x plus half the whole square plus root 3 by 2 square. That is same as x square plus x plus 1. This is same as x square plus x plus 1. So I'll write x square plus x plus 1 plus a square by 2. A square is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 divided by 2 becomes 3 by 8. Correct? 3 by 8. Log of mod x plus root of x square plus a square. Log of mod. Instead of x we got x plus half. X plus half plus root of x plus half the whole square plus root 3 by 2 square. That is x square plus x plus 1. Plus This part is over. Next is 3 by 2 into integral of dt by root 2 is 2 root t. 2 root of t is x square plus x plus 1. And this is 11 by 2 into integral of 1 by root of x square plus a square is log of mod x plus root of x square plus a square. Log of mod, instead of x we got x plus half plus root of x plus half the whole square plus root 3 by 2 square is x square plus x plus 1 plus a constant c finally. Okay, so we can compare with that form. Integral of root of x square plus a square x by 2. Instead of x we got x plus half, so x plus half by 2 root of x square plus a square. That means this thing I should write, instead of writing this I wrote x square plus x plus 1 plus 3 by 2 into 3 by 4 by 2, that is a square by 2. A square is 3 by 4, 3 by 4 by 2 is 3 by 2, log of mod x plus root of x square plus a square plus 3 by 2 into integral of dt by root is 2 root t, 2 root of t, substitute back. So simplify this further. One more step. Also they separated the terms here. X into this, half into this, separate the terms. Okay. So what we can write from here is, this 2 will cancel when you multiply, correct? So this 2 and this 2 will cancel. X into root of x square plus x plus 1 as given there, correct? So this will be x into root of x square plus x plus 1, x into root of x square plus x plus 1. This I multiplied. This 2 got cancelled. Half into root of x square plus x plus 1. Here also 2 cancels. 3 into root of x square plus x plus 1. Here I am getting 3 into root of x square plus x plus 1. This 2 got cancelled. Half into root of x square plus x plus 1. 3 plus half, 3 and half is 7 by 2. That is what? They written like that. Plus 7 by 2 into root of x square plus x plus 1. Plus this part, log of mod, this part. Log of mod x plus half plus root of x square plus x plus 1. Here these two are like terms, correct? Here the coefficient of log is 11 by 2. Here 2 into 3 by it becomes 3 by 4, correct? When you multiply this 2 inside, 3 by 4 plus 11 by 2. 3 by 4 plus 11 by 2 is how much? 3 by 4, 11 by 2 is same as 22 by 4. 22 by 4 plus 3 by 4, 25 by 4 I am getting. 25 by 4 log of mod. 25 by 4 log of mod x plus half plus root of x square plus x plus 1. Plus a constant c. I am getting like this. Now it's suitable to compare x into root of x square plus x plus 1. At this stage I can compare. Correct? Plus alpha into root of x square plus x plus 1. So alpha is 7 by 2. So alpha is 7 by 2. Correct? Alpha is 7 by 2. Is it correct? Alpha is 7 by 2 I am getting. 2 into this 2 got cancelled. Half into root of, correct? Here 3 into root of. Alpha I am getting 7 by 2. Beta is how much? Beta is 25 by 4 I am getting. Is there any mistake here? 2 into this 2 get cancelled. X by 2 root of this thing plus a square by 2 log of mod x plus root of x square plus a square. 3 by 2 dt by root t, that is 2 root t. 2 got cancelled. 3 plus half, which is 3 and half, 7 by 2. Alpha is 7 by 2. Beta is 25 by 4. Yeah, alpha is 7 by 2. Beta is 25 by 4. 2 into 25 by 4. Correct? Compare. Alpha is 7 by 2. Beta is 25 by 4. 2 into 25 by 4. That becomes 25 by 2. This is 7 by 2 plus 25 by 2, which is 32 by 2, which is 16. Numerical type question asked. Answer is 16. They asked to find alpha plus 2 beta, which is 16. Question asked on 24th of January, second shift, JEE Main 2025. Please make a note how to integrate quadratic by root of quadratic. This is the method. How to start the problem you must know. For every indefinite integral, you should know how to start the problem. Okay. So answer is 16. 32 by 2 equal to 16. Please make a note of this. Move on to the next one. Question number 3 we have integral of e power x into sin inverse x by root 1 minus x square plus sin inverse x by 1 minus x square for 3 by 2 plus x by 1 minus x square is given as g of x plus c, where c is a constant of integration. Want to find g of half. So whenever indefinite integral is given, always the method of how to start the problem we must know, correct? So whenever they give integral of e power x into some bracket, what strikes for us is normally integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x, that type, correct? So we'll take f of x as x into sin inverse x by root 1 minus x square and see what we'll get f dash of x. I'll take f of x as this, x into sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square. If we take f of x as x into sin inverse x divided by root of 1 minus x square, what we get is f dash of x from this. Find out by using the quotient rule. Denominator square. Root of 1 minus x square is 1 minus x square. Denominator square. Denominator keep as it is. Differentiate the numerator. When you differentiate the numerator, I should apply the product rule. X into derivative of sin inverse x. 1 by root of 1 minus x square plus sin inverse of x into derivative of x is 1 minus numerator into derivative of denominator. Derivative of root 1 minus x square is 1 by 2 root of 1 minus x square into derivative of 1 minus x square is minus 2x. So I'll get minus x by root of 1 minus x square. Minus x by root of 1 minus x square, correct? 1 by 2 root of 1 minus x square into minus 2x. 2 cancels. Minus x by root of 1 minus x square. So here this will cancel. Root 1 minus x square will cancel. Correct? X plus root 1 minus x square into sin inverse of x. Correct? Multiply this. This and root 1 minus x square will cancel. Root 1 minus x square into sin inverse of x. Here minus into minus will become plus. We'll get x square into sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square. Whole thing is divided by 1 minus x square. Take common denominator. This is divided by 1. This is divided by 1. Root 1 minus x square is common denominator, correct? For that. So that will be f dash of x will be equal to x into root 1 minus x square. X into root of 1 minus x square plus root 1 minus x square into root 1 minus x square is 1 minus x square into sin inverse x plus x square into sin inverse x divided by root 1 minus x square comes to denominator. Root 1 minus x square into 1 minus x square. That becomes 1 minus x square for 3 by 2, of course. Correct? I'll write like this. We'll add the terms which are like terms here. Sin inverse of x is common here. So this will be x into root of 1 minus x square plus, if you take sin inverse of x common, 1 minus x square plus x square, that is 1, correct? So sin inverse of x it becomes, adding these two, this term and this term, if you add 1 minus x square plus x square is 1 into sin inverse of x divided by 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus x square. Now you can separate the terms. Numerator is sum of two terms. If you separate the terms, root 1 minus x square cancels here. I'm getting x by 1 minus x square. X by 1 minus x square plus sin inverse of x by, this product will be 1 minus x square power 3 by 2, because 1 minus x square means 1 minus x square power 1. Root 1 minus x square is 1 minus x square power half. 1 minus x square power 1 into 1 minus x square power half. 1 plus half is 3 by 2. So this is sin inverse of x divided by 1 minus x square to the power 3 by 2. This is f dash of x. This part is f dash of x. This is f of x if you take. This is f of x if you take. F of x. Correct? This entire thing will be f dash of x. F dash of x. So it is in the form of integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x. Already I got f dash of x. X by 1 minus x square plus sin inverse of x by 1 minus x square power 3 by 2. So integral of that is e power x into f of x. So integral of this is equal to what I get, e power x into f of x. My f of x is x into sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square. X into sin inverse x by root of 1 minus x square plus c. Using this formula, integral of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x is equal to e power x into f of x plus c. Correct? This is your g of x according to the question. This is g of x plus c according to the question. So g of x is e power x into sin inverse x by root 1 minus x square. Want to find g of half. So g of x is this. This entire thing is g of x. Now I want to find g of half. G of half is e power half into sin inverse of half, which is pi by 6. Correct? Divided by root of 1 minus half square is 1 by 4. 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. Root of 3 by 4 is root 3 by 2. This is e power half is root e. Root e into pi by 12. Correct? Divided by, this is root of 3 by 4, which is root 3 by 2. Correct? 2 ones are 2 6 are. So what I get is pi by 6. 2 ones are 2 6 are. Pi by 6. Root e by root 3 is root of e by 3. Root of e by 3. So pi by 6 into root of e by 3 is answer. Option B. Question asked on 22nd of January, second shift JEE in 2025. So very simple question. Okay. 2 ones are 2 6 are cancels. Pi by 6 into root e by root 3 is root of e by 3. Hope it's clear. Move on to the next one. Question number 4 of this. Integral of x cube into sin x dx given as g of x plus c, where c is the constant of integration. Given 8 times g of pi by 2 plus g dash of pi by 2 plus this alpha into pi cube plus beta into pi square plus gamma. Want to find alpha plus beta minus gamma. So integrate this by parts. It's a product of two functions. X cube is algebraic and sin x is trigonometric. We need to use the product rule for integration. Integral of first into second. First function keep as it is. Integrate the second. Minus integral of integrate the second. Differentiate the first. But or else what we can do is, instead of using the product rule, I can use one time saving result. Whenever integrals of this type is given, x power n into sin x, x power n into sin x, integral of x power n into cos x, integral of x power n into e power ax, okay, even integral of x power n into a power x, where n is a natural number. In that case, we can apply a time saving result for this. Instead of applying integration by parts, what I can do is, I can use this formula, integral of uv with respect to x is, u is the first function, v is the second function. First function keep as it is, integrate the second, minus differentiate the first, integrate the second, plus differentiate the first, integrate the second. Continue this process until it terminates, means until it becomes 0. At some stage, derivative is going to vanish. Correct? Because x cube means it's a polynomial function. X power n is a polynomial function of degree n. So at some stage, derivative is going to vanish. So till there, you should continue. First function keep as it is, integrate the second, minus differentiate the first, integrate the second, plus differentiate the first, integrate the second. Go on, continue like this. Okay. So alternate plus minus, you should write. So x cube is algebraic, sin x is trigonometric. According to I late, algebraic comes first, correct? I late. Algebraic is first, then comes trigonometric. So use integration by parts, but I am using this time saving result. I am not using the traditional formula. I am using this formula where v1, v2, v3 are successive integrals of v, and u dash, u double dash, u triple dash are successive derivatives of u. Okay, alternate plus minus you should write. So integral of x cube into sin x is, at one stage I can write the answer. Integral of x cube into sin x with respect to x. X cube is first function, sin x is second function. First function keep as it is equal to first function keep as it is. Integrate the second function. Integral of sin x is minus cos x. Minus. Differentiate the first function. Derivative of x cube is 3x square. Integral of minus cos x is minus sin x. Next is plus. Derivative of 3x square is 6x. Integral of minus sin x is plus cos x. minus derivative of 6x is 6 and integral of cos x is sin x plus a constant c over. Next term will be 0. At this stage you can stop. First term keep as it is. First function write as it is. Integrate the second. Integral of sin is minus cos. Alternate plus minus we should follow. Minus. Differentiate x cube 3x square. Integrate minus cos x minus sin x plus derivative of 3x square 6x. Integral of minus sin x plus cos x minus derivative of 6x 6 and integral of cos x is sin x plus a constant. Next term will be 0. Correct? So g of x I got. This is entire thing is a g of x. Therefore, my g of x is equal to what we get? Minus x cube into cos x plus 3x square into sin x plus 6x into cos x minus 6 into sin x. G of x. Now, g of pi by 2 you need to find. Also, g dash of pi by 2. G dash of x will find out first. G dash of x, need to apply the product rule here, minus x cube into derivative of cos x minus sin x minus 3x square into cos x, applying the product rule for this. Correct? First into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. Second function, derivative of minus x cube is minus 3x square. Come into this, 3x square into derivative of sin x is cos x plus 3x square derivative is 6x, 6x into sin x. Here, next term, derivative of 6x cos x, 6 into cos x, derivative of x is 1, minus 6x into sin x, minus 6 into cos x. Correct? 6x sin x is going to cancel, 6 cos x is going to cancel, these two will cancel, these two will cancel. Correct? So, g dash of x will be, therefore, my g dash of x is equal to x cube into sin x, x cube into sin x minus 3x square. Oh, this also cancels, no? Even this term is cancelling. 3x square cos x is cancelling. So what is left is g dash of x is only x cube into sin x. G dash of x is x cube into sin x. Therefore, g dash of pi by 2 I can find out. G dash of pi by 2, put x equal to pi by 2. Pi by 2 cube is pi cube divided by 8 into sin pi by 2 is 1. So we get pi cube divided by 8. G dash of pi by 2. G of pi by 2 we can find out. G of x is here. You know, cos pi by 2 is 0. This term vanishes. Cos pi by 2 is 0. Sin pi by 2 is 1. G of pi by 2 is. And G of pi by 2. G of pi by 2 is. Put x equal to pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0. Cos pi by 2 is 0. Sin pi by 2 is 1. Correct? 3 into pi by 2 square is pi square divided by 4. Correct? Sin pi by 2 is 1. Minus 6 into sin pi by 2 is 1. This term and this term will become 0. Cos pi by 2 is 0. Cos pi by 2 is 0. Sin pi by 2 is 1. 3 into pi by 2 square minus 6 into 1. So I am getting g of pi by 2 like this. I need to multiply by 8 here. 8 times. And I need to compare with that alpha pi cube plus beta pi square plus gamma. So 8 times. Therefore 8 times g of pi by 2 plus g dash of pi by 2 is 8 times. You multiply by 8 and write 8 into 3 pi square by 4. When you multiply this by 8, no, this becomes 4 ones are 4 twos are 2 into 3 6. 6 pi square I get. 8 into 6 is 48. Then g of pi by 2, that is g dash of pi by g of pi by 2, g dash of pi by 2, when you multiply by it becomes pi cube. Pi cube. Now compare alpha pi cube plus beta pi square plus gamma. If we compare, this could be written as pi cube plus 6 pi square minus 48, which is alpha pi cube plus beta pi square plus gamma. If we compare this, we get alpha is 1. Correct? If we compare, alpha is equal to 1, beta is equal to 6 and gamma is equal to minus 48. Gamma is minus 48. Want to find alpha plus beta minus gamma. Alpha plus beta minus gamma is. Therefore, alpha plus beta minus gamma is equal to alpha is 1, beta is 6, gamma is minus 48. How much I get? 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 48, which is 55. Option B is answer. Question asked on 23rd of January, second shift, JEE in 2025. Please make a note. This rule is quite important. Okay, time-saving result. Instead of applying integration by parts, we apply this time-saving result. This result is applicable for integrals of this type. Integral of x power n into sin x power n into cos x, or integral of x power n into e power x power n into a power x. These kind of integrals, this formula is applicable. Move on to the next one. Question number 5 we have. This is the integral of some irrational function. Integral of 1 by x power 1 by 4 into 1 plus x power 1 by 4. So what we can do is to start, how to start the problem. Put t as x power 1 by 4. Put t equal to x power 1 by 4. Put t as x power 1 by 4. So that t power 4 is equal to x. T power 4 is equal to x. If you differentiate this, dx by dt is equal to 4t cube. Dx by dt is 4t cube. So dx will be equal to 4t cube dt. Write everything in terms of t. Okay. My function f of x will be integral of 1 by x power 1 by 4. 1 by x power 1 by 4 into 1 plus x power 1 by 4. Dx. Dx is, write everything in terms of t now. Dx is 4t cube dt. Dx is 4t cube dt divided by x power 1 by 4 is t into 1 plus x power 1 by 4 is t. 1t is going to cancel here. This 4 you can keep outside. What is left is t cube by t. That becomes t square. T square. For this, we can add 1, subtract 1, divided by t plus 1 is there. To integrate this, what we'll do is subtract 1 and add 1. Okay. So that we can separate the terms. This is 4 times t square minus 1 by t plus 1. T square minus 1 divided by t plus 1. Plus 1 by t plus 1. This is 4 times integral of t square minus 1 you can factorize. So t minus 1 and t plus 1. So t plus 1 is going to cancel. What remains is t minus 1. Correct? Plus integral of 1 by t plus 1. And we know how to integrate this. It's in the standard form. Whenever an integrand is given to you, always we try to reduce it to the standard form. That's the main aim, to integrate any function. Our aim is to reduce the given integral to the standard form. Then only it's possible to integrate. 4 into integral of t is t square by 2. Integral of 1 is t. Integral of 1 by t plus 1 is log of mod t plus 1. Log of mod t plus 1 plus a constant c. Finally, you can substitute back for t. T is x power 1 by 4. So if t is x power 1 by 4, t square will be x power half. 4 into t square by that becomes 2t square. 2 into t square. T square is x power half. X power half it is. Minus 4 into t is x power 1 by 4. Plus 4 into log of mod t is what? T is x power 1 by 4. X power 1 by 4 plus 1 plus a constant c. So I need to find the constant now using this condition. F of 0 is minus 6 the given. This is your f of x. F of x. F of 0 means you put x equal to 0. 2 into 0 minus 4 into 0 plus 4 into log of mod 0 plus 1 plus c. Log 1 is also 0. F of 0 is given to be equal to minus 6. So my constant c is minus 6. Constant c is minus 6 because f of 0 is minus 6. Minus 6 equal to all these terms are 0. C remains. C is equal to minus 6 I am getting. constant c is minus 6. Constant c is minus 6. Substitute the constant c as minus 6. Therefore, my f of x becomes, therefore, my f of x is equal to 2 into x power half, 2 into x power half minus 4 into x power 1 by 4 plus 4 into log of mod x power 1 by 4 plus 1. 4 into log of mod x power 1 by 4 plus 1 plus constant c is minus 6. F of x. Now f of 1 is 2 into 1 minus 4 into 1 plus 4 into log of 1 to the power 1 by 4 is 1, 1 plus 1, 2 minus 6. So what I am getting is equal to 2 minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 minus 8. 4 log 2 minus 8. 4 is common. We get log 2 minus 2. 4 times log 2 minus 2, which is option A. Question asked on 28th of January, second shift, JEE in 2025. Please make a note. How to integrate integrals of some irrational function. Put t as x power 1 by 4 and express everything in terms of t and go on integrate. Get the answer. Move on to the next one. Question number 6. We have integral of root 1 plus x square plus x power 10 by root 1 plus x square minus x power 90. It's given like this. Numerical type question asked. M plus n you have to find out. On 7th of April, second shift, JEE in 2025. So first of all, you observe the relationship between root 1 plus x square plus x and root 1 plus x square minus x. If you take the product of these two, root 1 plus x square plus x into root 1 plus x square minus x. If you take the product of these two, a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Root 1 plus x square is 1 plus x square. Correct? 1 plus x square minus x square, which is equal to 1. Product of these two brackets is 1, means these two are reciprocals of each other. I can conclude. That means I can tell root of 1 plus x square plus x, root of 1 plus x square plus x is equal to 1 by root of 1 plus x square minus x. Correct? So the given integral is root of 1 plus x square plus x to the power 10 is there. If you take 1 by root 1 plus x square minus x, that is root 1 plus x square plus x. If you send this to numerator, it becomes root 1 plus x square plus x to the power 9. 1 by root of 1 plus x square minus x is root 1 plus x square plus x. So what is present there is 1 by root of 1 plus x square minus x to the power 9 will be root of 1 plus x square plus x to the power 9. Correct? So this is root of 1 plus x square plus x to the power 9 it becomes. So the bases are same, we can add the powers because of multiplication. So this becomes root 1 plus x square plus x to the power 19. This integral is same as this. To integrate this, I'll use method of substitution. Put t as root 1 plus x square plus x. Also note that root 1 plus x square plus x and root 1 plus x square minus x are reciprocals. So put t as root 1 plus x square plus x using the method of substitution. Put t is equal to root of 1 plus x square plus x. Differentiate this. dt by dx. Derivative of root 1 plus x square is 1 by 2 root 1 plus x square into 2x. So 2 cancel. I get x by root 1 plus x square. Derivative of root 1 plus x square is x by root of 1 plus x square plus 1. Correct? So that is dt by dx will be equal to x plus root of 1 plus x square by root of 1 plus x square. I need to express in terms of t now. So this integral becomes integral of t power 19, because I've taken x plus root 1 plus x square as t. So what is dx I have to find out. So dx is cross multiply, and x plus root 1 plus x square is t. Numerator is t. What is root of 1 plus x square? That I can find out by using the relationship that root 1 plus x square plus x and root 1 plus x square minus x are reciprocals. I have to express root 1 plus x square in terms of t now, because numerator is t, denominator also I should express in terms of t. So already we've taken t as this, no? T is root 1 plus x square plus x. So 1 by t is going to be root 1 plus x square minus x. If you add these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2, equation 1 plus equation 2 gives t plus 1 by t plus 1 by t is equal to 2 into root of 1 plus x square. Correct? So root of 1 plus x square is half of t plus 1 by t. Half into t plus 1 by t is going to be equal to root of 1 plus x square, which is half into t square plus 1 divided by t, root of 1 plus x square. So root of 1 plus x square is t square plus 1 by 2t. Can substitute for this. From this, dt by dx is equal to, numerator is already t and denominator is going to be what? T square plus 1 by 2t. T square plus 1 divided by 2t. Correct? So dx is what? This dx I have to find out, cross multiply. Dx is, this is cross multiply, or this will go to numerator, no? 2t square by t square plus 1. This 2t goes up, 2t into t becomes 2t square by t square plus 1. So dx will be equal to what? T square plus 1 divided by 2t square. Dx is, from this, I am getting t square plus 1, t square plus 1 divided by 2t square. Correct? T square plus 1 divided by 2t square into dx, that is going to be dt. Correct, no? If you want to write one more step here, dt by dx, I am getting dt by dx is 2t square divided by t square plus 1. So t square plus 1 into dt by 2t square is dx. Correct, no? So t square plus 1 into dt by 2t square is dx. So this 1 by 2 can keep outside. 1 by 2 keep outside. T square by t square is 1. 1 into t power 19 is t power 19 plus 1 by t square into t power 19, it's t power 17. Is equal to 1 by 2 into integral of t power 19 is t power 20 divided by 20. Integral of t power 17 is t power 18 divided by 18 plus a constant c. Finally, substitute back for t. What is my t? Is root of 1 plus x square plus x. But they kept the answer in this form. I need to compare with this form, right? So what I'll do is, I'll substitute back for t and I'll take t power 19 common. Okay? Even though t power 18 is common, it looks like t power 18 is common. I'll take t power 19 common. From this, 1 by 2 into, if you take t power 19 common, what remains is t by 20 plus 1 by 18t. So that t power 19 into 1 by t is t power 18. Here you can take LCM. LCM of 20 and 18 is 180. Correct? That 180 is LCM taken outside becomes 1 by 360. T power 19 divided by 2 into 180, this is 360. Correct? This is t. I have taken LCM as 180, 29s are, so this becomes 90 plus 18 tens are, so 10 by t it becomes. 10 by t plus C. Taking LCM is 180. 20 and 18 LCM is 180. So 20 nines are so 90. 18 tens are 20. So I'm getting like this. Correct? So take LCM T here. I mean, try substitute back for T here. See, I'm getting in this form 1 by m. That is T power 19. Correct? This is root of 1 plus x square plus x. Substitute back for T. So I'll get T if I substitute back. This part I'll erase. Okay? This part is not required anymore. I'll write the remaining part here. So therefore this becomes, substitute back for T. T is root 1 plus x square plus x. Root of 1 plus x square plus x to the power 19 divided by 360 into 9 into T is root of 1 plus x square plus x plus 10 by t, 10 into 1 by t, and 1 by t is root 1 plus x square minus x, root 1 plus x square minus x plus a constant c, correct, in this form you're getting. Here 9 into x, 10 into minus x, 9x minus 10x will be minus x, and 9 into root of, 10 into root of, that becomes 19 into root of, so that I can compare in that form. C is equal to root of 1 plus x square plus x to the power 19 divided by 360 into 9 into root of 10 into root of, that is 19 into root of 1 plus x square, correct, 9 into x minus 10x, that is minus x plus a constant c. Exactly in this form I am getting 1 by m. So m is 360. Root 1 plus x square plus x power 19. So compare, n is 19. So n is 19 here also inside the bracket. N into root of 1 plus x square. 19 into root of 1 plus x square minus x plus c. So if I compare these two, I am getting m is equal to 360. M is 360 and n is 19. Therefore, m plus n will be 360 plus 19, which is 379. Numerical type question asked on 7th of April, second shift, JEE Main 2025. Please make a note. It's a quite different type of question. Important observation is root 1 plus x square plus x and root 1 plus x square minus x are reciprocals. That I am using it again here also while writing the dx in terms of t. If you want to write everything in terms of t, I am using that concept. T and 1 by t. T is root 1 plus x square plus x. 1 by t is root 1 plus x square minus x. Just like in trigonometry, we have secant theta plus tan theta and secant theta minus tan theta reciprocals. Such kind of question also asked in IIT JEE exam earlier, many years back. This type of question was asked in terms of secant theta and tan theta in IIT JEE exam many years back. Okay. Move on to the next one. Question number 7 we have f of x is given as integral of x cube into root of 3 minus x square dx. To integrate this, I'll make a use of substitution. Put t as root of 3 minus x square. To begin with, I'll make substitution. Put t equal to root of 3 minus x square. So that t square will be equal to 3 minus x square, squaring on both sides. Differentiating this, we get 2t dt is equal to minus 2x into dx. Or you cancel 2 on both sides, we get t into dt is equal to minus x into dx. Or x into dx is minus t dt. Therefore, f of x, you can write it as f of x is equal to integral of x cube, we can write x into x square. So, x square into root of 3 minus x square into x dx. This is integral of what is x square? X square is 3 minus t square. X square, you take that side. 3 minus t square I get. Correct? Writing everything in terms of t now. Rearrange the terms. X square is 3 minus t square. Root of 3 minus x square is t. X into dx is minus t into dt. Correct? Minus you can absorb here. Minus you multiply to this. Becomes t square minus 3. Correct? Minus is multiplied to this. T into t is t square. Multiply it and integrate. This is integral of t power 4 minus 3t square. Integral of t power 4 is t power 5 by 5. Integral of 3t square, 3 into t cube by 3, which is t cube, plus a constant c, f of x. F of root 2. F of root 2, t you substitute back, then use the condition. T is root of 3 minus x square, substitute back. Therefore, my f of x becomes, f of x is equal to, t is what? Root of 3 minus x square. Root of 3 minus x square to the power 5 divided by 5 minus root of 3 minus x square the whole cube plus c. Now f of root 2. 5 times f of root 2 is given as minus 4. I'll put x as root 2 now so that I can find f of root 2. F of root 2. Put x equal to root 2. Root 2 square is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Root 1 is 1. 1 power 5 is 1. So 1 by 5. Putting x as root 2. Root 2 square 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Root 1 is 1. 1 cube is 1. Plus c. 5 times f of root 2 means you multiply by 5th root. 5 times f of root 2 will be 1 minus 5 plus 5c. 5 times f of root 2 is given to be equal to minus 4. So this is minus 4. Minus 4 is equal to minus 4 plus 5c. So c is equal to 0. Correct? Minus 4 plus 4, 0. C is 0. C is 0. Therefore, the equation star becomes f of x equal to f of x is equal to root of 3 minus x square to the power 5 divided by 5 minus root of 3 minus x square the whole cube. Constant c is 0. Correct? C is 0. Now you can find out f of 1 as asked in the question. Therefore, f of 1 is, put x equal to 1. 1 square is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Root 2. Root 2 power 5. Root 2 power 5 divided by 5 minus 1 square is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Root 2. Root 2 cube. Root 2 cube. This is root 2 cube is common. Root 2 cube is common. Correct? Root 2 square, that is 2 remains. Root 2 square is 2. 2 by 5 minus 1. 2 by 5 minus 1 is minus 3 by 5. Correct? So this is root 2 cube, that is 2 root 2. This will be 2 root 2. 2 root 2 into minus 3 by 5. Correct? 2 by 5 minus 1 is minus 3 by 5. This becomes minus 6 root 2 divided by 5. Minus 6 root 2 by 5. Option D is answer. Question asked on 3rd of April, first shift, JEE in 2025. Please make a note. Move on to the next one. Question number 8. I think this is the last question of this session. integration, indefinite integration, all the PYQs of 2025, covering both January and April shift is included here. Quite less number of questions always, as I told earlier. So integral of 1 by x plus 1 by x cube into 23rd root of 3x power minus 24 plus x power minus 26 given like this numerical type question. Want to express in this form and compare, find alpha plus beta plus gamma. So integral of 1 by x plus 1 by x cube, correct? Integral of, this is 1 by x plus 1 by x cube 23rd root of, inside the root what is there is x power minus 24 and x power minus 26. We can write x power minus 24 as 1 by x power 24, correct? 23rd root of 3 divided by x power 24 plus x power minus 26 is 1 by x power 26. Because it is 23rd root of, means to the power 1 by 23, this entire thing is to the power 1 by 23. I'll take 1 by x power 23 common there, correct? This is equal to integral of 1 by x plus x cube, 1 by x plus x cube, 23rd root of 1 by x cube is 1 by x power 23 is common. So what remains is 3 by x plus 1 by x cube. 1 by x power 23 to the power 1 by 23 becomes outside. When it comes outside, becomes 1 by x. Correct? 1 by x power 23 is raised to the power 1 by 23. It becomes outside. It becomes 1 by x. So what you get is integral of 1 by x plus 1 by x cube. This comes outside, becomes 1 by x into, this is 3 by x plus 1 by x cube whole to the power 1 by 23. Terms inside this bracket as t will take. Use method of substitution. This 1 by x is multiplied to this. So what we get is integral of, this is 1 by x square plus 1 by x power 4 into 3 by x plus 1 by x cube to the power 1 by 23 dx. Put t as 3 by x plus 1 by x cube using method of substitution. T as 3 by x plus 1 by x cube dt by dx. Derivative of 3 by x is minus 3 by x square, correct? 3 into 1 by x. Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Derivative of 1 by x cube is minus 3 by x power 4. So from this dt by minus 3 is equal to 1 by x square plus 1 by x power 4 dx. Correct? Minus 3 take outside. Dt by minus 3 is 1 by x square plus 1 by x power 4 dx. This part 1 by x square plus 1 by x power 4 into dx is dt by minus 3. That is minus 1 by 3 keep outside. Minus 1 by 3. This is taken as t. 3 by x plus 1 by x cube is t. So the t power 1 by 23 into dt. Correct? This is minus 1 by 3 into integral of t power 1 by 23 is t power 1 by 23 plus 1 by 1 by 23 plus 1. 1 by 23 plus 1 is 24 by 23. This is 24 divided by 23. Divided by 24 divided by 23 plus c. This 23 goes up. Correct? So minus 23 divided by 3 into 24. What is the t substitute by? 3 by x plus 1 by x cube. 3 by x plus 1 by x cube to the power 24 by 23 plus c. Minus alpha by 3 times alpha plus 1. Compare with that form. This is minus 23 divided by 3 into 24 is 23 plus 1. Correct? Into 3 into x power minus 1 plus x power minus 3 whole to the power 24 divided by 23 plus c. Now compare exactly in this form I am writing. Minus alpha by 3 into alpha plus 1. If I compare, alpha is 23, correct? Compare this and this. We get alpha is equal to 23. 3 into x power minus 1. 3 into x power beta. So beta is minus 1. Beta is minus 1. X power minus 3. Your x power gamma. So gamma is minus 3. Correct? To the power alpha plus 1 by alpha. Alpha is 23, no? 23 plus 1 by 23 is correct. Alpha plus 1 by alpha. Alpha is 23, satisfies this power. So I am getting alpha, beta, gamma. Want to find alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is 19. Correct? Finally, I get the answer. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 23 plus minus 1 plus minus 3. How much you get? 23 minus 4, which is 19. Numerical type question asked on 4th of April, second shift, JEE Main 2025. With this, all the 8 questions have been completely solved. Okay, please subscribe to my channel and forward to your friends. Many more videos will be uploaded in the coming days connected to KCT PYQ series of 1984 to 2025, even JEE mains of January shift as well as April shift of 2025, 2024, and all other sessions will be covered. Even the synopsis part of KCT and JEE will be done separately. And even the important questions for second PU board exams as well as first PU final exams. Many more videos will be uploaded in the coming days. With this, I conclude. Thank you.